And with Austin back to stage 4 of COVID-19 risk guidelines, we wanted to know, what does this mean for people who are fully vaccinated? Do you need to wear a mask? And why some people are still ended up in the hospital when they are vaccinated? Nabil Remadna spoke with a leading COVID-19 expert for a closer look.
The COVID virus seems to be throwing us a new curveball almost weekly.
As COVID numbers rise, healthcare workers are once again seeing more people show up to the hospitals.
It's so much more contagious than the parent one. It's really spreading now and causing cases to increase, principally and overwhelmingly among unvaccinated persons.
Dr. William Schaffner, an infectious disease specialist at Vanderbilt University Medical Center and leading expert on the virus, he says getting the vaccine is a no-brainer.
The vaccines were designed to prevent serious disease and keep us out of the hospital.
The vaccine also offers partial protection from getting infected.
We recognize that that can still happen, so you can get infected, but you're very unlikely to become seriously ill.
People with compromised immune systems could be more at risk of getting ill, says Dr. Schaffner.
This is anywhere from 2 to 4% of the population. These are people who can't respond optimally to the vaccine, so they may not get that same level of protection.
And what about returning to work or school or even going out into a crowd? Should those who are vaccinated wear a mask? It's always an added safety measure, but he says there are populations that should highly consider it, even when vaccinated.
Let's say we have older people with diabetes or heart disease or lung disease, or those immunocompromised folks. They, even though they're vaccinated, if they go out in a crowd indoors, they might well want to wear a mask also.
While you can still get the virus or even die, Schaffner says the vaccine is still your best bet to staying safe.
We can't expect perfection, but we can anticipate excellence in these vaccines.
Nabil Remadna, KXAN News.
Thank you, Nabil. In Austin, it is now recommended all residents, including those who are vaccinated, that you do wear a mask. Meanwhile, people who are not fully vaccinated are asked to stay home and avoid non-essential dining or shopping.